Hi, Gareth from Port Monkeys here, and we are on the brand new, beautiful Discovery Princess. We just left port yesterday, and now I'm going to give you a little tour of the ship. So, stay tuned. Discovery Princess.
That's the Internet Cafe over there. This is Celebrations. It's a liquor store. This is Gelato. This will sell you gelato. This is the Salty Dog Gastropub.
This is the International Cafe.
They have your specialty coffees. And this is Good Spirits at Sea.
Here's the Juneau dining room. That's the piazza. We're still on deck 5. This is Sabatini's Italian Trattoria. $29 cover charge. Here's the shore excursion desk. You can book your shore excursions here. And here's guest services. And this is the Lotus Spa featuring the Enclave. We are now on Fiesta Deck 6.
And this is Churchill's Smoking Lounge. Used to be Cigar Lounge. And in here, you can smoke.
This is the Princess Theater. And there's the theater.
It holds a lot of people. And
this is the Take 5 Lounge.
they have bands or individuals play live music in here in the evenings. It also has a bar.
And the ship's casino.
Simply called the Princess Casino.
And table games. That's a craps table down there, blackjack.
Now, and that's the Shops of Princess, and they have a lot of shops. That's the piazza down there, and up there, I suppose. And there's Crooner's Bar, or Lounge. And I am staying in the Seafood Terrace, where you can buy sushi.
Deck 6 is where you'll find Princess Cruises Captain Circle and Future Cruise Center.
And the photo gallery. You can also find the Fine Arts Gallery here.
So this is Bisrto Sur La Mer.
And it has a $29 cover charge, just like Sabatini's and the Crown Grill. And this is Bellini's Bar. There's a toy store over there, or Princess logo stuff, I should say. It's perfume. We have Gigi's Pizzeria. Free pizza. Sit down, order your pizza, they bring it to you.
This is the ocean front, and you'll see these big screens here. Remember, you can see what's going on.
This is the Princess Live Cafe. They call it a cafe, but it's a bar. And this is Princess Live. And I guess at 9:15 they're going to have Speedy Sudoku Challenge.
This is the Crown Grill Bar.
And in here is the Crown Grill. So let's just take a little spin through here.
This brings us all the way aft on the ship to the Vista Lounge. And they do all sorts of events in here too.
But it has a stage, and events happen in here. I thought we'd walk a little bit on the promenade. We are on deck 16, at the very back of the ship now. And this is the Wake View bar and the Wake View pool. Now this pool at its deepest is only 3.5 feet deep.
So this is the World Fresh Marketplace.
So the buffet is really big. It's on both sides. And there's another section. This is just the back section. 1, 2, 3 kinds of sausage. Look at that, 3 kinds of sausage. Very few things do you get yourself. Fruit, cereal. But this is the pastry shop. And guess what it has? That's right. This is also a coffee bar. Hi. So that was the buffet, World Fresh Marketplace. This is Swirls Ice Cream. It's free, but they serve you. You don't serve yourself here. Seaview Bar. And I think they call these the sky pools. And there's one here and one over there. Hot tub up on 17, hot tub up on 17. These have couches. So that's Movies Under the Stars. They put pads out here at night and you get blankets. We're going to need them tonight because it's cold. Another bar, sliced pizza, salty dog, hamburgers and hot dogs. We're up on deck 17 now, and this is the retreat pool and bar. And this pool at its deepest is only 3 feet 3 inches. The retreat pool was right there. That's deck 16 below with the 2 main pools. We're up on 17. Of course, that's Movies Under the Stars at night. There's also seating right there, and those are suites. One there, one there. And they have a really big fitness center. So, fitness center. So, outside the fitness center, on deck 17, is the kids area. Beach house ages 13 to 17, and Camp Discovery, which is, I guess, everybody else, right? You can also find the Platinum Studio here, right inside here. So this is the sports court on deck 18. They call it center court. Whatever you're going to play. I think that's a pickleball net, maybe. This is the jogging track. Up there on deck 19 is the golf course, the mini golf, the greens. The greens mini golf. And it's just a regular putting surface. So as you can see, 7 laps equals 1 mile on this blue track. We're going to head forward though. So I had to go back down to 17, and now I'm back up on 18.
Good morning.
Hi. And we're going to go out here. And this is sort of a different kind of area. So a little bit fancier maybe. More hot tubs. So this is the sanctuary. And to come in here and stay for the day, it's $40 a person. For half a day, it's $20. Cabanas are $200 plus. But they have nice lounge chairs, nicer towels. I see headphones and televisions in the cabanas. I have a hot tub.
The Discovery Princess is a beautiful new ship. I hope it stays that way. I really enjoyed my time here. The staff is great. Everything's so nice and new on here. So Gareth from Port Monkey's saying, Port Monkey's out. See you in the next port. Bye.